So we're back here in Balloongarook in Victoria at my mum's property again, and today is a really exciting day for mum because we're going to pick out a double carport for her property. I'm going to pop mum in the car, we're going to go to my local showroom down at Sheds and Homes in Geelong and pick out the colours and styles she likes, so let's go. With a variety of design choices, ColourBond colour options and the use of Aussie steel, we left the store confident we would get a shed made tough that would look the part too. Well, there you have it, a fully finished double carport, and it looks amazing. Just as the weather starts to turn on us, it really doesn't matter because now we've got a roof over our heads. A big thanks goes out to Sheds and Homes. Well, it looks amazing and mum's gonna be stoked.